In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you have more than one Google account, make sure you're signed into the right one so your events land on the correct calendar. When the calendar loads, you'll see your current view, often month by default. You can switch to day or week at the top if that makes it easier to see your schedule. But any view will work for what we're about to do. Now, look for the Create button at the top left of the screen and click it. This opens your main menu for adding new items to your calendar. Think of it as your starting point whenever you want to add something to your schedule. Choose Event. This opens the full event editor, where you can set all the key details in one place. Give your event a clear title so it's easy to recognize later. Pick the date and time, or turn on all day if it spans the full day. If the event repeats, like a weekly meeting, use the repeat options to set a schedule that matches your routine. Add guests by entering their email addresses so they receive an invitation and can RSVP. You can include a location, like a room or address, or add a video conferencing link so everyone knows exactly where to meet. The description field is perfect for agendas, links, or notes you don't want to forget. Before saving, check which calendar you're using if you manage more than one, and set notifications to remind you at the right moment. When everything looks good, save your event and notify guests so they have it on their calendars too. From the same Create menu, you can also select Appointment Schedule. This is ideal when you want others to book time with you during windows you define. After clicking Appointment Schedule, give your schedule a name, choose the duration for each appointment, and set your available days and hours. You can add buffer time between bookings, limit how far in advance people can book, and require minimum notice to avoid last-minute appointments. When you're finished, publish to generate a booking page link. Share that link, and any bookings will appear on your calendar automatically, honoring existing events so you're never double booked. A few quick tips as you work. Color code your calendars to separate personal and work items at a glance. Use duplicate on similar events to save time, and drag events on the grid to reschedule quickly. That's the workflow. Open Google Calendar, use Create, add an event, and set up an appointment schedule to let others book you efficiently.